So my question is, how do you suggest parents manage screen time in today's digital world?
So this is a $1 million question. So the best way to manage screen time, I would say, okay, is to send the children to Gurukulam, जहाँ screen time बहुत कम या restricted है. I would not say restricted. उनको समय ही नहीं मिलता है स्क्रीन टाइम इतना देखने को, क्योंकि दे आर सो बिजी प्लेइंग that they don't miss the screen time, and we do give them screen time which is very very uh, planned screen time, and the content is also planned. I know it's not possible for everyone for various reasons. वो भी reasons आपके खुद के reasons है, पर ठीक है. ये जानते हुए फिर क्या कर रहे हैं? सेकंड, send them to any place, any school which you feel they have a holistic approach. Third thing, if you are in a city school, or if you are staying in a city or in a place where you have no other option, and you are having in the house, so I understand that you have a school where you send the child from 8 to 3, and then what do I do from 3 to 8 or 3 to 9 at the home? मैं क्या करूं? मैं तो सिटी में रहती हूँ, मैं बच्चे पे बेचती हूँ, तो 3 से 9 बजे तक मैं क्या करूं? क्योंकि 8 से 3 तो वो स्कूल में जाती है, तो क्या करूं? देन यू मेक योर हाउस एन आश्रम. हैव लॉट्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन कमिंग इनटू योर हाउस. जब वो खेल खेल में बिजी होते हैं और छोटे से घर है, 10 by 10 रूम है, तो उसमें खेल नहीं होता है. However big you create a space where children can play together, then they don't miss the screen time. But if you have a child 10 by 10 room and you expect him to play with some games like this, I don't think it is possible. फिर आप डांटो उसको, फिर आप खुद गुस्सा हो, उसका परिणाम ये है. So you need to create an environment. Best way environment is send them to Gurukul or send them to place, to gardens. But how much can you send them? Then invite friends home. Then yet they will watch TV. Then you need to be more creative. So for 8 years, we did not show her screen time. She saw her first serial at 8 years of age. 8 years, TV was in the house. हमने कभी टीवी चालू भी नहीं किया उनके लिए. 8वें साल में हम 4 दिन बाहर गए थे, और उनकी दादी माँ यानी कि मेरी मम्मी ने उनको पहला सीरियल दिखाया. कौन सा सीरियल? सास भी कभी बहू थे, वही देखे. फिर उन्होंने 1 साल में she covered all the things in 8 years. What she could not do in 8 years, in 1 year she completed with all those Ulta Chashma, Balika Bahu, Badu, something like that. Then there was one more that some cartoon was there. All that she covered. Even I started seeing that to give the time pass. So there is no, but also that was restricted. Restricted means half an hour or 1 hour in a day. Because by that time, lots of other activities we kept her busy in. वो जो हम देखते थे, साथ में ही देखते थे. What they are showing there, I will give her a different perception of seeing the same thing. So that also is a parenting tip I'm sharing with you, that you give your viewpoint on the same thing, the opposite viewpoint, which is a empowering viewpoint to the child. So these are various ways. You use whatever best way you can use. Okay.